Hi, welcome to my blog page. My name is Simone Bradford and I'm a first year education student at Murdoch University. Just wanted to do a quick run over of my Discover the World Around Us project. The purpose of this page is to assist teachers to integrate ICT skills and HASS and literacy strands of the Australian and West Australian curriculum. The project involves individual research and investigation, designing, creating, planning, and then finally showcasing the final end product to their loved ones. The students will be assigned different countries by the teachers so that each student is researching a different country. They'll be completing activities including planning their questions, researching and investigations using a range of resources that can be found here on the project content page, which is just on lesson number 2 and 3. The project not only aligns with the state and national curriculum, but also has been purposely created so that it can be taught in a meaningful manner. This includes having the students being actively engaged, using their thinking and observation skills, constructively participating by writing all their notes on a digital mind map, intentionally by knowing and understanding what their goals are, authentically by linking back to the Australian economy, which makes it a real world issue, as well as cooperatively both through class discussions and then creating a quiz, which can also be found further on in the project content page. It's also a Makers Movement project as it allows students to not only research their purpose questions, but they are free to explore their ICT and creativity skills when they're creating their infographic poster. Having students then create a class mural at the end of the project ensures that students also have an understanding of working collaboratively, creating the quiz, and then making sure that all students have all the relevant information using the checklists as well. The open quiz night instills a sense of responsibility for students for their accomplishments, and then allowing them to feel pride and joy for everything that they have produced and achieved. So everything can be also found on the project overview, which gives the task description, a product example of what students need to include on their end product infographic poster, all of the curriculum descriptors, along with the rationale and links to meaningful learning that I've also just talked about as well. If there's anything else you'd like to know about me, please feel free to email me. All my details are on the About Me page. I hope you enjoy this project as much as I have creating it, and thank you very much for your time.